Okay, you guys ready? Look out for hurting poodle. Ready? Tia, make sure the cattle dogs stay together, okay? Oh. You ready? Ready? Go. Go, cattle dogs. Look out for the poodle. There's a poodle behind you. There's a crazy poodle behind you. Do you guys see the poodle? Huh? Huh? Tia, you got this? You got this, Tia? Look out. You're in the path. You're in the path, Tia.